Welcome to today's inspired healing meditation, intuitively channeled for your highest good. Set your sacred space by lighting a candle, playing your most favorite relaxing music, have your journal close by, and drop into a moment of peace and calm with me, Helene Rose. Welcome to your inspired healing meditation. In today's meditation, you are guided to make a commitment with Spirit. You are guided to make a commitment to yourself. You commit to this healing journey. Through this visualization, you connect so deeply with Spirit, with this beautiful earth. You allow your commitments, your words, your desires, your heartfelt expression to be received by the divine. Thank you so much for embarking on this journey. You will, no doubt, be challenged. You will no doubt feel like you are off your path or have fallen off your path, or you may feel lonely or alone, but know that you are fully supported by your unseen helpers. You have an opportunity to really develop that inner strength, that relationship with yourself, and call upon a friend, make a new friend, or reach out to a trusted person to support your beautiful unfolding. I hope you enjoy today's meditation. Let's drop into today's healing meditation. Close your eyes and turn your outer gaze inward. Notice your breath as it moves through your body. We set the intention of deep inner alignment. We set the intention of accessing our wisdom. We set the intention of growing our God light, this beautiful flame that burns bright within us. With our attention, our awareness, and our breath, we can grow this flame. Take a deep breath into your heart. By growing this flame, we magnetize our heart space. We allow our soul to lead us. We allow our highest good to unfold. And we can realize our ultimate potential on this earth at this time. Let us take a deep breath into realizing our ultimate potential. We feel ourselves firmly grounded, planted, rooted into the earth. We take a deep breath with the earth. Our ultimate potential is like a little seed that when we water it continuously, taking care of the seed, it is nurtured and blossoms into something beautiful and magnificent. This is what we are doing with ourselves, with our own inner flame. We are watering this inner flame with our awareness, our love, our breath, our attention, and our desire to heal. Let us take a deep breath into the desire to heal. We bring our awareness to our crown, to the top of our head, and we feel and notice this beautiful, strong connection to source energy. And through this connection, we can, from our heart space, speak our commitments. We can speak the words of our commitments. to this healing journey. As we are deeply rooted, grounded, nurturing ourselves, connected to our hearts, whispering our desire to the heavens. Take a moment to find your own words that express your commitment to your healing path. What words would you like to speak now to God energy? I commit to my healing journey. I allow experiences into my life that are for my highest good. I will work through whatever I need to work through on my path to heal, grow, evolve. I will shine the light of my awareness onto areas of darkness in order to see and grow and become. I know I am fully supported in this moment by this great spirit, Mother, Father, God. I'm fully supported in this moment, and even when it feels like I'm not on my path or I've fallen off my path, I will come back to my breath, my vision, my awareness, my breathing, my breathing, my breathing. Take your desire and put it into a little balloon in your mind's eye. Allow this balloon to float up, up, up to the heavens, to be received with love. I commit to my healing journey. Bring any experiences I need for healing. Bring community to surround me. Bring the right people to support my growth and development. Help me learn the practices I need to sustain this choice, to fulfill this commitment. I choose to fulfill this commitment, and I allow in support. And just know you are never alone. If it feels lonely, come back to yourself with your breath. Join a class, reach out to a friend, make a new friend. And please know, through this choice, you are so appreciated. Love flows down to you. Your unseen helpers are with you. Notice any sensations within your body, any emotions or feelings that arise through this meditation, and just acknowledge. We acknowledge that we are human and spirit. Each day moving a little bit more in the direction of spirit. Bring your awareness back to your feet, your heart, to your crown. Take one final deep breath and sigh it out. When you feel ready, you can open your eyes and move toward your journal. Set your timer for at least 8 minutes. This is a very potent opportunity for you to take some time to really commit, solidify your knowing, your understanding, commit to yourself, to spirit, to the planet. Write a letter to your highest self, to your God self. And feel free to reach out at any time for support on your journey. Much love and gratitude. See you next time.